Hello everyone, you are watching MSK Entertainment Films. Today we are back with a new video. In this video we are going to show you how to install RStudio. So to install RStudio, first of all we are going to install R and then we are going to install RStudio. These two softwares are working together. So first of all, I would like you all to open your internet browser. In this case I am using uh, this Opera. So I'm going to paste it. The link I already copied. The link is shown to you in this video below. So and then press enter. When you press enter after pasting the link or writing the link, you will be directed to this website. So over here the first step is install R. So we are going to click on this link, that is R 3.0.1 plus. If you are watching this video after a few years or after some months, so it is possible that our studio or our software is updated. So then this version won't be 3.0.1, it would be something else. So even then you are going to click on this. When you click on this, you would be directed to a new web link which shows you this website, and its website is cran.rstudio.com. So we are given with three options. The first one is download R for Linux, the second one is for MacBook, that is operating system Apple's one, and the third one is for Windows. So in this case my PC is using Windows, that is the Windows 10, so we are going to select the third option. When you click on the third option, as we want to install it for the first time, so we are going to select this base. When you click on base, you would be taken to a new website. So over here, if you are using 32-bit or 64-bit window, then you can select this option. This option is for both 32-bit or 64-bit. So just simply click on it. So this dialog box will show you the location. So right now I want to install it on desktop. Press save. So the file is under download. The file is 83 MB and it would be downloaded soon. So the software has been downloaded. So right now I'm going to minimize this web browser and install it. So this is the software installation icon and it's set up. So I have to double click on this and then follow the steps. So when I double clicked on this, or you can say click right click and then select open. So it will give you this dialog box and click on run. When you click on run, then it will give you its proper setup. Press OK, then again press next. This is your location of your installed folder. Then press next. So right now I want to install the 64-bit, so I have unchecked 32-bit files. Press next and select next. Create. I don't want to create a desktop shortcut or quick launch shortcut, so press next and the file would be installed. So the file has been installed successfully. Just click on finish and now we are going to go for RStudio software. First we are going to download RStudio, then we are going to install it. Now to install the RStudio, we are again going to open our internet browser and go on our previous tab, that is RStudio 1. So in this we are going to download RStudios for Windows. Okay, secondly, it should be noted that if you are using Windows 10, 8 or 7, so then you are going to select this one option, the first one option. If you are going to install it in your MacBook, so then you are going to select the second one option. If you are going to install it in Ubuntu operating system, then you are going to select the third option and so on. In this case, we are going to install it in Windows 10 PC. So we are going to select the first option and then follow the steps. So when I clicked on the first option, it gave me a pop-up block and a new tab has been opened. So downloading has begun. Now, before downloading has begun, we have been given a location, that is desktop. I want to install it in desktop, so press save. So after downloading this RStudio software, in this case it would be saved on desktop. So I don't want you to waste your time watching this whole video of downloading. I already have downloaded this software which is on desktop. I am going to desktop and double clicking on RStudio. This is the software installation file. So I double click on this. When I double click on this, a dialog box would open which would be of RStudio, and it shows me give me two options, that is run and cancel. So when I click on run, it would give me a second option. In that I would be following the steps. So press next, then again press next, then press install, and after installation the setup is completed and it is ready for running. In our next video, we'll show you how to run RStudio, and we'll give you different programming languages, how to calculate mean, median, mode, how to calculate correlation, and other things. Our first aim is to show you how to calculate or evaluate all the values or conduct all the procedures which we conducted in Microsoft Excel. So the setup has been completed, so press finish. When you press finish, then simply it means that your software has been installed. So I would like to confirm it whether the software that is RStudio has been installed or not. So I'll click on the search and write RStudio. This is RStudio. I click on this and it would give me the whole software. Just wait for a couple of minutes because it's the first time we have installed RStudio in this PC. So in our second video, we will be showing you how this RStudio works. What is this area called? What is this? What is this? And so on. So so this video has ended over here. Thank you so much for watching MSK Entertainment Films. I would like you all to subscribe this channel, that is MSK Entertainment Films. By this we would get motivated to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.